In this video, I want to show you how to connect your iPhone 17 to your TV using an HDMI cable. So without using Wi-Fi, this method is better because there's almost no lag, as you see over here. So you can play games, play a movie, many different things that is not available when you're simply using Wi-Fi, because this is creating a lot of choppiness and lag. So to connect an HDMI cable in the USB Type-C port of the iPhone 17, we need an adapter. Actually, it's not completely true. You can buy one of these. This is an HDMI to USB Type-C cable. So you're gonna take an HDMI cable that you probably already have around the house. You're gonna connect it right over here. This end with the USB Type-C connector will go in the iPhone. And by the way, it's very important when buying these adapters that you select one that is 4K 60 frames per second. The cheaper options are only 30 frames per second, and it's really not a nice experience. They will output a lot of choppiness. So that's why I recommend one that is 60 frames per second, and I'll put a link down below in the description if you want to get one. So over here, the other end of this HDMI cable, well, will go on the back of the TV. It's important to know that if you don't want to use an adapter to do this, you can also buy a cable that is HDMI to USB Type-C, in case you don't already own an HDMI cable. But this option over here, it's usually cheaper, the one that I'm showing you right now on the screen. So I'll take the HDMI cable and I will plug it in one of the HDMI ports of the TV. Right over here I have HDMI 1, 2. It does not matter which one you choose, just remember the number that is written over here. I have plugged it in HDMI number 1. And now all I have to do is to unlock the phone, and right away you see it start streaming. Honestly, it takes around 5 seconds sometimes to establish the connection, depending how good your adapter is. And yeah, right away, without even clicking on something, it worked. And as you see right now, since this adapter is 60 frames per second, everything looks very smooth. And now as you see, this phone doesn't take much of the space of the screen. Obviously, you can rotate it on the side, and right now it's a bit better. If you want to change the settings of the second display of your TV display, what you need to do on your iPhone is to go on the settings. Go down, select display and brightness. Go down, and over display over here, you see you're gonna have two options: your built-in display, but also your TV. Mine is an LG, that's why it says LG TV. If you tap on it, you'll be able to enable HDR in case it's not enabled and your TV is capable of. And you also have standard dynamic range in case, again, your TV is not equipped with HDR. Over here, allow display mode changes. I don't necessarily recommend you choose this. And as it says over here, this may result in flickering or long period of black whatever content changes. Again, just leave it off. I think the best results are simply by selecting HDR if your TV is turned on, and this is about it. Once you're done, you simply have to disconnect the USB Type-C from your phone. You don't have to go in any menus to disconnect your TV, and yeah, this is about it. Once you're ready to do it again, simply connect. And if your TV doesn't change automatically to your iPhone, you may have to go on your TV into the input setting and select manually the HDMI port where you have connected your HDMI cable on the back. So in my case, it's HDMI 1, but this LG TV is able to recognize automatically, so I didn't have to do this. Overall, this is it. I hope this was useful. If so, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.